everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a multi-screen video in CapCut. It's super easy, totally customizable, and you can finish it in just a few minutes. Okay, let's get started. First, just open CapCut and then create a new project. And then just import one of your clips from your gallery. Like this. And before we start editing, let's set the ratio. Just go to aspect ratio, this one, and then you can choose the ratio that you like. You can choose a portrait if you want the layout to be vertical, or landscape if you prefer video side by side. And in this tutorial I will choose portrait, like this. And now let's prepare our clips. To make a multi-screen effect, we need to duplicate the video. Just simply tap on the clips and then duplicate it as many times as the number of screens that you want. And in this tutorial, I want 3 screens total, so I will duplicate my clips 2 times. Like this. Next, take the duplicated clips and turn them into overlay like this. And then just position it over the first clips like this. And once you have them as overlay, just resize and position them into fit the screen. And since we are making a portrait multi-screen, I will arrange the 3 videos vertically from top to bottom, filling the full portrait screen like this. Like this. Make sure each video fits the space without overlapping. Just take your time to align them properly. And you can also make it has a little black bars like this to make the video more cinematic, or just fit it if you like. And then after the layout looks neat, it's time to replace the duplicate clips with different video. Just tap on an overlay clips and then just choose replace. This one, tap on it, and then just import your video that you want to use. And then just choose the part that you want to add to the video. And then just do this for another duplicate clips. Like this. And now you have 3 different videos stacked vertically in one frame like this. That's your portrait multi-screen video done. And then from here you can edit however you like add filters to give all clips the same tone, or just insert text for titles or captions, or even you can place sticker for fun, or just add effects to make it more dynamic. And of course, you can also add a background music to bring the whole video to life. And okay, that's it. You just created a portrait multi-screen video in CapCut in just a few easy steps. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!